Good morning. Today we're going to talk about birthdays. I want you to click play on this video and listen to the happy birthday song. Now, birthdays are important because they make you feel special. You turn another year old. It's a chance for your family to celebrate you. And we know they only happen once a year. My birthday is April 7th, 1988. That makes me 32 years old. My last birthday, I stayed home for quarantine in Guatemala. My best birthday party. I had a party and we made our own ice cream sundaes, but I can't remember what birthday it was. I think it was a 10. Does your family have a special tradition that you do every year? My family celebrates my birthday with different people on different days or weeks, so that it's more of a birthday month than just one day. Now it's your turn. You're going to insert a text box and type your answers. So let me show you how. The question is, my birthday is... Now I want you to put a text box here and answer the question. So you're going to find the square with a T in it, and when you put your mouse on top of that space, it says text box. You're going to click on it. And then what you notice is a plus symbol. So you're going to click and hold on the left side of your mouse or your space, and then you're going to pull it with the right side. I'm still holding until I get the right side, then I let go. Now I'm ready to type. Your birthday might be May 16th, 2005. Now that's excellent. If you want to make the text a little bit bigger, you can click on the left, slide to the left, and that's highlighting or choosing those words and numbers. Then you're going to go up here to where it has a number 14, and that's the font size or the size of your words. You might choose to click the plus symbol to increase the size. You can click it a lot. Whoa! And if you notice it's too big, you go to the minus, and then you can make your words small. Perfect. Now I'm going to go to the next slide. That makes me, I want you to insert a text box and answer the question. So I'm going to go to the square or the box with a T in it, and I'm going to click. Now I'm going to click and drag to put the text box where I want, and now I can click. I am 9 years old. Now remember, you can always highlight or select your words and click on the plus to make them bigger. Okay? Another day, you also might choose to change the color. So you click on the A, and you might choose to change the color of your words. Okay? Or you might click this, the highlight, and you might choose to highlight it like that. But you don't have to do that for today. The only thing I'm asking you for today is to click on the text box, click and hold and drag, and answer the question on each slide. My last birthday, and I want you to tell me how you celebrated. Okay? Now, when we get to the end, what did you wish for last time? Shh, just kidding. If you tell me, it might not come true. So this class is all about finding out your birthday and what you like to do and how you like to celebrate. Enjoy!